Okay, so it's recording. Hi, this is the talk for an introduction to serverless architectures. I'm Steve Mustafa Dafer. You can check my profile here, my LinkedIn. You can contact me on Facebook. I currently work with SOTI. SOTI is the world leader in business mobility. I work on the cloud team, and part of my job is to work with serverless functions and architectures. I graduated a couple years ago from Dalhousie as a computer scientist, and originally graduated from Rafiq Hariri University back in 2014 as a computer and communications engineer. Yeah, so enough about me. So our talk is about serverless. Anyone would like to tell us what they think serverless is?
It's basically you don't have to manage servers. You can just write your code and then that's it.
Right. To a huge extent, yeah.